In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frame or artboard where the text lives. Once your file is open, select the text you want to underline. You can do this by clicking the entire text layer in the Canvas or Layers panel if you want the whole line or block to be underlined, or by double-clicking into the text layer and highlighting just the exact words or characters you want to emphasize. The underline will only apply to what you've selected. So take a second to be precise here. With your text selected, look to the panel on the right side of the interface. This is the Design panel. Find the Typography section for that text layer, and click the small settings icon to open the type settings. This is where you'll make text-specific adjustments that go beyond basic font, size, and spacing. In the Type Settings window, make sure you are in the Basics tab. Here, you'll see a row of text decorations. Click the underline icon to apply an underline to your selection. You should see the line appear immediately in your canvas, matching your current text style by default. If you want more control over the look, click the arrow next to the underline option to reveal additional settings. You can adjust the thickness to make the line lighter or bolder, depending on how strong you want the emphasis to feel. You can change the color so the underline stands out or blends with your brand palette. And you can tweak the offset, which moves the underline closer to or farther from the baseline of your text. For a faster workflow, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. With the text or the entire text layer selected, press Ctrl U on Windows or Option plus U on Mac to apply the underline directly. This is especially handy when you are making quick edits across multiple headings or labels. As a quick tip, underline is best used for emphasis or links. Keep contrast and readability in mind, and preview your design at different zoom levels to make sure the thickness and offset look intentional across sizes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.